Smell like spicy sardines.
And clip.
And clip.
Okay.
Okay. I just came from this like store. They have books, a whole bunch of books. It was like a retro type place, and I saw a plumbus, a regular old plumbus.
Who do you know who has a plumbus?
Nobody.
Nobody has a plumbus.
Not even Bill Gates. But
Does Mr. Beast have a plumbus?
No. But guess who who has a plumbus? This guy.
Plumbus.
For the people who can't read.
Just a regular old plumbus.
Regular old plumbus.
Oh, you can do the honors.
Do the honors? Okay. Wait, are you able to put the thing down with it? Oh, okay, yeah. I think you dropped one. We keep it going. Keep it going. We're not gonna cut none of this out.
Yeah, it's just raw clip.
Raw footage. I'm opening up the plumbus. Wait, what are you doing? After.
I got you.
Put your leg in. Gotta get the drip ready. We're not doing ASMR. Stop. Monkey. Can I say that on YouTube?
No.
Oh, I'm black.
You gonna get monetized.
Demonetized?
No, monetized.
We're not even monetized.
You not monetized.
You're not monetized. What if I monetize that one ASMR video I made?
I think you should scrap the headphones.
Huh? You think you should?
Nah, it's cool. It's too late though.
It's too late. We just gonna.
Now we gonna see if we actually need the headphones or not.
Yeah.
Cause it's just a plumbus.
It's just a plumbus. I'm doing a bat unboxing video. I forgot that's what we was even doing. I was too busy just taking it out. Whatever.
We're not doing ASMR.
You right. Record. It's a plumbus. Wanna bring the phone over? Show it. It's just a regular old plumbus. What was that? What was that?
I was trying to move it.
Oh, I already took it out. Oh yeah, it jiggles too.
It's a plumbus.
It's a plumbus. A regular old plumbus.
Just a regular old plumbus. Can you bring the box over here?
Bring the box. You said bring the box.
Yeah, bring the box.
Oh, like do this?
Just prop it up.
You wanna know what's back there?
It's the schleem.
There go the schleem.
Who do you know with a schleem?
Nobody.
Nobody has a schleem. Not even Bill Gates has a schleem. So how's the top part feel?
So, I didn't even know it's like memory foam. It's so squishy. Yo. Why would you smell it?
I'm sorry.
Isn't that against the rules? Oh, we should have showed them the do's and do nots.
Of the plumbus?
Of the plumbus. Oh my god, I just touched that. That crap is so nasty, bro. It's,
oh my god.
Bro, no, because I just... Why did you smell it? Alright, bro, bring the camera over.
I guess.
Oh, you gonna read it? You gonna read it to them?
Plumbus.
Camera action.
Urgent. Welcome to the exciting world of I'm not finna read this whole thing. I ain't gonna lie to you.
He can't read.
Plumbus is not alive. Please.
Bro, this is so awkward, bro.
Bro, I don't care. Bro. I'm getting.
My bad. Did I pause it? Oh,
no.
Okay. My bad.
I'm gonna just read the plumbus nose. The plumbus is heavier and spongier than ever before. So this is the plumbus
3000.
2.0 3000 mark
2.0.
for plumbus.
Wait, Jesse, do you have
the
a
plumbus?
Wait, do you have a drawn hairline?
Is squishier.
No, okay, I got you.
You think the hairline is fake?
No, I was just asking just in case.
The plumbus is squishy and flexible for all crevices.
All crevices.
So this is what the doodle bob is for.
Oh yeah. And what else was on there? They got the garble flug.
Exactly.
Yeah.
The garble flug, you know?
Who you know with that?
Nobody has that.
Exactly.
And the plumbus is great in kitchens. Plumbus is multi-versatile and safe for every room.
No, except for mirrors, because if you put it by a mirror, then it's going to duplicate.
Indeed.
And if two plumbuses are in 5...
Beanvos.
It wasn't Benvos.
Benvos.
It wasn't Benvos. It was
yes.
start with a C.
Don't talk to me like that. Because I can read.
Bro, where is it at?
Bro, I can't. Hold on. Centons.
Yeah, centons. So it was an S.
So we both was wrong.
See, if two bleebs. See, word.
The plumbus can get sticky, so keep your plumbus sanitized, or you could get sick.
Wash it, and don't stick it near any of your organs.
Any reproductive organs, they will fall off.
No, you're gonna die or get extremely sick.
Even if they can't like physically fall off, they will fall off.
They're gonna fall off. Oh my god! I just thought of something crazy. This one on YouTube. Let's like take the plumbus off. Let's show the plumbus to the people.
Plumbus, get you one down.
Wait! Don't stare. Remember, don't stare directly at that.
Yeah, you can't.
That's all you put in the camera. You can look at that part though. You can kind of grab it from right there, like. Just stop.
The doodle pop. It's kind of hard, so you can't lift it up.
Come on now. Are you serious right now?
Plumbus.
Plumbus.
Get it down at your local. Oh wait, there is no local nothing.
You ain't got it.
You ain't got a plumbus.
Exactly.